Unit 2, Mathematics and Graphing. To begin Unit 2, we're going to talk about significant digits. And by definition, each of the digits of a number that are used to express it to the required degree of accuracy are your significant digits. Significant digits contain all measured values and one estimated value. Now, one of the things we're going to need to be able to do with significant digits is we're going to need to be able to determine how many significant digits there are in a particular number. And the way we're going to do that is by using what's called the Atlantic-Pacific rule. So imagine that this is the United States. The Pacific Ocean is to the left and the Atlantic Ocean is to the right. Now, for significant digits, our P is going to stand for present, and our A is going to stand for absent. If a decimal point is present, we'll start from the Pacific side of the number and count all the digits from the first non-zero value. So as an example, let's say we've got 1.520. And we want to figure out how many significant digits there are in that number. What we would do is start on the Pacific side, since there is a decimal point present, and the 1 is our first non-zero number after going from the left. Every digit after that 1 would be considered a significant digit. So 1.520 would have 4 significant digits in it. Now the A is going to stand for absent. So that's when we have a number that does not have a decimal point in it. We would start from the Atlantic side of the number, go towards the left, and the first digit that's not a 0 would be our first significant digit, and every digit after it. So let's say we've got 2,500. The way that number is written, there's no decimal place, so we would start from the Atlantic side of the number, and we'd move towards the left. Our 5 is the first significant digit. Every digit after that number would be significant, so 2,500 has 2 significant digits in it. So let's look at a couple of examples. Determine how many significant digits are in the following numbers. So our first number is 120. Our first question is, do we have a decimal? Well, in this case, our decimal point's absent. We're going to start from the Atlantic side of the number. Our 2 is the first significant digit, and every digit after it, so that number has 2 significant digits. Now, this number looks very similar, except it's got a decimal point. So since the decimal point's present, we're going to start from the Pacific side, and now the 1 becomes the first non-zero number. Every digit after it, so that now we've got 3 significant digits. And if we look at our last example, here we've got a decimal point present. We start from the Pacific side of the number. Here's our first non-zero value from the Pacific side. Every digit after it is going to be considered a significant digit, so this value has 4 significant digits.